This is what I've been doing for the past, what, probably 40 minutes now. Getting this fire out. Woo! Oh shoot, bro, we're gonna get hit.
Ah! Go. Ready?
Oh shoot, man. Bro, how much? Oh shoot. We're trying to get this couch.
Is there any screwdrivers just left?
We're trying to get this couch through this door. It's so hot. Try it.
Oh, probably too small. Maybe 3 or 4. Oh, it's kind of working. Or do you have a big flat blade? Like a really big flat
I said
blade?
I'll film for you.
Oh, thanks. So hot, we're standing up.
The fastest that thing goes.
No. I hope not.
Bro wants the fan to go faster.
Ah, shit.
That's hectic, brother.
I was like, oh my goodness, Ezra got a toolbox.
Yep. What an idiot. Why wouldn't this idiot Ezra just get the toolbox a little bit earlier? Should go kick him up later. Beat him up. Oh no, go through it.
Right, where would they be?
The guy she told you not to worry about versus you. Dominic, show me your screwdriver.
Oh.
The guy she told you not to worry about.
Too big?
No, if it's like perfect. But then that little red one. That one's sucked. Size doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, it's just how you use it.
For real, man. We got the first one off with the small one.
Yep. We grabbed the first ones, the small ones first. How's the child labour going?
Yeah, it's not fun.
Hmm?
It's not fun.
Oh yeah?
Forearm's starting to get sore.
Yo, you reckon we should invest in this one eventually?
No, there was some filming his feet. In a world where people don't know how to get couches into a house,
Can we just take this
they
window
must
out?
make do with their window.
Hold up, we'll move this out. I'm gonna take this window out. I'm gonna take the glass out.
They're taking the glass. Yeah, you need a help?
Now we can probably spin around this way.
Damn, that looks nice. Why don't we just put the TV in there?
For real. We should definitely just do that.
It would fit.
That's what I call those are the ideas, man.
Yep, that's why the ideas, man. This coffee table in the way?
No, yeah, eventually. I think we're gonna put it yes, Joe.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That was something. That was the window seal.
Wow! Yeah. The manly men. Men. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Many men. Oh wait, we don't have the feet on it.
You don't have 2 feet on it.
We don't even need the feet on it really, do we?
We did it, gang.
Probably reattach it.
And I was filming the whole time.
Let's go. We don't put top there.
Laptop, my shields.
Let's do this window. And Dominic are fighting a big campfire on property that was not ours. Because, oh dang it, the sun just there. It's just in there. I swear I just saw something. Yeah. And now we're gonna go stop that stuff over there now. Whew. This is what I've been doing for the past, what, probably 40 minutes now. Getting this fire out. Whew. It is hard work, man. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh God.
Come on. Go out.
I'm in business.
Oh. Bro. Just remember to tell me to fight fires at your house.
Except ours are usually like this. As in like, we never really have a good time. Like,
we also ran out of water just before. Oh, my eyes. Whew. Yeah. How you feeling, Dom? How's your first fire stop in the cane fields?
it's pretty good.
Pretty good. How was it, Mum?
Exciting.
What about you, Riley?
Next time I'll wear better shoes.
My eyes feel like they're like all red.
Honestly, we should have brought Ezra. He would have just been. I mean, easy. And all gone. Oh well. Dad's coming back. Yeah, I think someone left the oven on somewhere. I don't know what happened there.
Look at that. Look at the line.
Oh my goodness, we just got a full bloody
live
leak.
reveal.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, well, for the most part.
Bro
But
forgot to
under
fake
control.
tan his legs. I mean his feet.
Oh my God.
Mine aren't that bad. But Dom was in the thick of it. Everybody knows. It's on the roof. Put the lid on.
Where's the lid?
Yo, we got this massive TV cabinet on the roof because we're beasts. Got it on the roof from the forklift. Here we go. Oh shoot! Oh! Yeah!
Yeah, I can get there. Go under. Check it out. Good, because of the jack on it.
Don't ask how we got this up here, please.
Trying to get under this one.
I think the other bits were also still hard.
Yeah, no.
Alright, let's go.
This is where the entertainment happens. Twerk, Miley, twerk.
Are you right to move it or like? Can you slide it?
Oh, what the hell? What's this button on top do?
I
I've no idea. Bring him out towards the couch, yeah. Just moving.
Wait,
Couch right? Or kick that in?
It's nice and flat. That way, we go turn it around.
Almost hands over.
Yes, sir!
Woo!
Yeah.
Bro was gonna Gmod me with the crowbar.
Oh.
What?
Smash it. Just have to go up there. Alright, we need an extension cord for this Ethernet.
Really?
Yeah, we do.
Oh my
We
god!
got a black eye, bro.
The amount
Yeah,
of
bro, I went emo.
Bro went emo.
I'm an
He's going through his
emo.
goth phase.
What extension?
It's not a phase, Mom. It's not a phase. Yeah. Is it plugged in? Yay! Yeah, Christmas!
So this is Christmas. Pretty cool.
Oh damn, if the TV wasn't on, it would look super cool.
Tonight, thank God it's them instead of you.
Yeah. It's bedtime. But yeah, today was pretty hectic with that fire. Like, that was actually crazy. It was, yeah, it was not good. It was actually really bad. Like, oh, it's actually really quiet in my room. There must be like really good insulation in here. Oh, the windows are open. That's why it's so much louder in here. But yeah, Ezra's mostly sick paintings, bro. Look at this painting, man. It's looking sick. And there's another one over here. One of his like old relatives from ages ago used to paint until he died out of it. He painted those, they're really sick, but yeah, I haven't got to bed now, so I will see you guys tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully the internet's here tomorrow afternoon so we can actually, you know, upload videos at a normal time instead of 7 o'clock at night, because it took 10 years to bloody upload, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, but I will see you guys later. Take it easy. Peace. Guys, I think there's a body hanging there.